Happy Diwali to everyone. So, this is my current year Diwali picks. You might have seen my past year Diwali picks and this performance in groups and telegrams. Without wasting the time, we will start out with the stocks, which I have selected from the very big number of list of stocks. Out of this list, we have some more stocks like IEX, IRCTC, MTA Technologies, Nazara. Uh, these kind of stocks, they do have a mode kind of business. So we are not discussing about them here. So we do concentrate on other stocks which I do selected for giving us a Diwali picks. I have been shaded it with different colors here. First, I will go with the list, then I will go with the other stocks. If I can't able to complete all the stocks within this uploading time, I will put the reasons and I will share it in groups or in Telegram wherever you peoples are uh, available. Okay. The first stock which you're gonna see now is Gujarat Gas. Like now the price is at 632.95. So Gujarat Gas is a kind of a government company. Okay. First of all, you need to think is they have a business in natural gas. Okay. They do have a distribution in supply chains to end-to-end customers here. Okay. So they do have domestic, industrial, commercial, and the non-commercial segments in South and South Central Gujarat and Saurashtra. So this is the things about Gujarat Gas. They are the India's largest player in city gas distributions with 27 GCT licenses. Like that is an apart. In terms of fundamentals, if you have seen, they have made a good progress in recent years by deploying new connections to many households in and around the northwestern regions of India. So if we go to quarters, if you see the sales has been constantly going up from in year on year, in quarter on quarter here. Like in June 2021, since due to Corona, it may have came down, but it started to go up. The net profit is also constantly going up. In the next profit and loss in year on year, the sales has been going up, and year on year profit is constantly increasing. Okay, so they do have a good dividend payout also. In balance sheet, if you see, the reserves of the company is constantly going up and the borrowings is constantly going down. This is the reason I have taken the Gujarat Gas here. Like it is fundamentally good. So if you look at the chart also, they do have a good drawdown from the levels of 760. Around they have drawdown of 26 percentage at the bottom, and they have started to retrace well. So the stock have formed a bearish formation in recent days. It might come down a little bit, but it is a very good for very long term. Since the Diwali picks are meant for 1 year long period, I have selected Gujarat Gas as a major thing here. And the next thing is like HDFC Life, which is a life insurance company. So many people would have known about HDFC Life Insurance Company. They is a, like they are not a new player, but it is a very young player in the industry. They do have an individual and group kind of insurances, kind of things they do have like in the business. Okay, so they do, since HDFC is a very big brand, they do have a reputations already. So HDFC Life Insurance is trying to cope up with the HDFC Bank and HDFC things of thing. So if you see the quarter results, the sales has been constantly decreasing in the past 3 quarters, and recently it started to go up because it might be due to Corona. It was a drop down here and it was opened here and it was coming down again and it started to go up. But if you see the profits, they try to manage around the same level, around 250 to 320 350 ranges around every time. So if you go in year on year, they do have a good balance sheet with respect to their increments in the net profit, because TTM is not yet finished. So it will have a good, expecting a good profit in next 6 months till we have like next March 2021 is there, 2022 is there, sorry. So if you see, their borrowings has been recently increased in the past 2 years, past 2 quarters, and the reserves has been constantly growing again. If you go to here, HDFC Life, so HDFC Life is being trading in this zone around 760 to 650 region in most of the time. This region is a good accumulation zone where we are nearly in a good accumulation zone. It is very good to accumulate. Okay, so in long term, as life insurance businesses are expected to go up, do well in the upcoming days. Okay, so the next is Mahindra and Mahindra. So you will go here. Um, Mahindra, CI, Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, so if you look, we know about Mahindra and Mahindra. It is a most diversified automobile company in India because there are many other automobiles. They don't won't have the different things, but Mahindra and Mahindra have a diversified. They have tractors, cars, bikes, electric mobilities kind of things. They do have, even they do have a three wheelers. Their balance sheet is also looking good since they are a very good reputed institutions. They do have very good profit growth rates in the industries. Okay, so if you go to directly to the balance sheet, if you see, they are trying to reduce the borrowings particularly, but we will look for another 1 year to look where they have been heading to, because in recently they have launched very good cars. They have showing a good numbers in productions. Okay, so in terms of here, if you check Mahindra and Mahindra, so Mahindra and Mahindra have formed a double top over here, and it is coming to a good accumulation zone in the region of 740. Um, Actually, now there is a no sign of reversal, but it is expected to reverse around the region of 830 to 800. So around this region, it will start to reverse. So we can start to accumulate there. The next stock which I'm gonna discuss here is Max Health Insurance. Max Healthcare. It is not a Max Health Insurance. It is a healthcare institute where they do have hospitals. They do have like labs and small clinics around them. Like they have undertaken many of the super specialty hospitals under them also. They do also have a good what to say reputations over in India. Since COVID has been hit, like many people has been using the healthcare insurance. So there was a sudden spike during the COVID times, and it is getting a good drawdown nowadays. Like we check the technical charts, Max Healthcare Institute. So see, it has been a good long time runner in the past. It has achieved till 400, and now it has been restricted, and it is kind of forming a cup. Okay, so actually, it is a very good accumulation point. This to hold till like it can go further once it crosses the 400 levels. Okay, the next stock is Surya Roshni. Because if you might have know, if you I would have talked about Surya Roshni earlier also in my previous videos. um, we will check Surya Roshni here. Surya Roshni is a kind of an automobile, what to say, OEM, like original equipment manufacturer. They produce small parts to supply to OEM. Sorry, they do have different kinds of diversified business. They do have glass. They do have lightings. They do have pipes. They kind of things. These guys also performing good in recent years. I am holding a good amount of Surya Roshni from the past. My average is around 100 and 105 region, like where I took very earlier. So now the price is trading at a very good range, and it is having a very good book value. It's around 261 levels. Okay, so it is again also a bit cheaper. So it is very good to add this guy. So balance sheets, you people know how to check the balance sheets, the reserves, and if things are going up, and if you see the borrowings are coming down, and the net profit is constantly going up in the recent years and quarters. So the Surya Roshni given a maximum drawdown of like around 32%, which is a very good drawdown from the high. So this also included in our Google sheet where I used to share my uh, picks each and every time to you peoples. Okay, so this is a very good accumulation region. Hold it. It will cross. You can expect a 4 digit very soon. Okay. So next, I will go through CCL products. CCL products, you people might have known, this is one of the largest coffee producers in India, where he is exporting a major part of his business to the worldwide companies. Like they have the largest production capacity in coffee beans. Okay, people who are coffee lovers might have known a brand called them. Okay, so they do have it. You might have checked your packets, like they do produce many kinds of brands. Okay, so in recently they're since it's being an FMCG and food kind of products, their business is like open minded. They don't have any restriction towards it. So competitors is there, but they don't have a very big competitors in this way, because if you know, the tea and coffee sector is governed by a major industries only. Okay, so if you go to balance sheets, They do have a constant capital. They have a good reserves increasing, and they do have a constant borrowings. Like it should be decreasing, but it is have increased in 2021, and it is decreasing again. So we will need to check out a little bit later also. But it is a very good company in terms of giving out a good net profits in recent years, because if you see, it is constantly growing 32, 35, 56. It is increasing year on year, and it is expected to give uh, higher than the past year also. Okay, so if you go here, CCL products, CCL products, they do have a very good support at 358. I have marked earlier, and they trend line is running side by side. um, CCL products is also having a kind of small bearish pattern, but there is having a very good support in over the region, so it is also a very good accumulation point. Next, Kalpatru Power. We will go to Kalpatru Power. So Kalpatru Power is kind of a power transmission and distribution business. They don't produce a power, okay? So they don't produce a major power, okay? And they do have a power production, but they mostly concentrate on distributions and transmission of powers in oils and gas through it, okay? So if you even see here, they have employed a capital of 5,900, and they have made up sales of 14,000, which is a very good thing. Um, and they do have a very good promoter holding, and but some of them have been pledged. It's a very bad thing. So they do have debt, very less interest coverage ratio. But even if you took the major players like Tata Power, Adani Power, also they do have the same issues, because the power sector was not doing very well in past 3 4 years. Since Tata Powers and Adani Power has been, we have been concentrating in the past, so we are selecting another guy from this things. So if you look in peer also, like quarterly results also, like if you see, the expenses, the sales has been increasing recent years. It has been in the same level, but they are trying to make out a good things in recent year. But then technically, this guy is looking good. Okay, if you see Alpatru Power, so this guy was going up, and it is standing in the region of, it has been reached a resistance around 500, is a psychological resistance. And this guy is in trading in a very quite common zone of, it's around 380 to 450 region. So if it is comes down, it is a very good stocks to accumulate, and add little quantity of Kalpatru, because we do have a Tata Power and Adani Power with us. Okay. So next is Mazagon Dock. New people might have known Mazagon Dock. Is one of the ship builders and building and repairing of ships, and they do repairs for submarines, for like our defense extensions also. Um, they do is like having like a very old history of making good products in recent years. Like if you see here, they do have a very good price to good value. It is available at very cheaper price. They have a good dividend of 2.45. So return on capital employed is also good. Promoter holding is marvelous. They will come for a YFS since 70% has been kept. Zero debt. It is good looking than the previous stock which we are talking about, and they are having a very good thing. If you go to quarters, let me check the sales. Sales have been decreasing in recently, but expenses also decreasing. So fine. Net profit has been decreased in this recent quarter. They might be having due to some of the reasons. We need to check it out clearly later. So sales is increasing. Net profit has been in year on year. If you see, the net profit is in the region of 500 to 600 region is a constant way. So it is also a very good stock to hold. We will check as a Masagon Dock ship. Masagon Dock ship, if you have seen, it is like a single tended stock. It recently came for an IPO in the last year. Recently, it gave a breakout, and it is expected to come till like 280 region or 284 region. So you can start to hold out from there. But if it is giving a downtrend, also we can start to accumulate.